Hello and welcome to 133 Boardwalk. This is a fantastic two-story, light, bright home, just steps from the old mill. Let's go inside and have a look. As you first enter this home, you're immediately welcomed by the tasteful, neutral finishes and very modern open concept of this downstairs. It includes a spacious kitchen with a waterfall quartz island design, as well as full-height cabinets, modern light fixtures, a great window overlooking the backyard, and plenty of light. Perfect for gathering, this space includes a nice great room as well as a formal dining area. Here in the second floor loft, you'll find high ceilings, expansive windows, a great additional fireplace, and plenty of room for lounging. Here in this large primary suite, you'll find high ceilings, no carpet with great hardwood flooring, access to a back patio which overlooks the smokestacks of the old mill, and a stylish primary bath with shower, double vanity, and walk-in closet. Here, the two guest bedrooms have access to an outdoor patio which overlooks the canal just behind. The backyard of this home is a sunny southern low-maintenance patio with access to the canal behind. Immediately behind this home is the fantastic canal trail that wraps all the way around and through and straight down to Farewell Bend Park. This is a fantastic home, so close to all of Bend's amenities. We invite you to come have a look yourself.